Bargaining is a part of Chinese culture. In fact, bargaining in China is not just common, it's an art. In this video, you'll learn essential Chinese phrases for asking about prices and negotiating, along with important tips to help you get the best deal. Of course, if you want sellers to earn more, that's entirely your choice. Hi everyone, welcome back to Falling for Chinese. I am Wang. If you want to learn Chinese step by step, please remember to subscribe to my channel and learn new content every week. Now let's begin today's lesson. Before bargaining, you need to know the price range of what you're buying. Let's learn a short conversation. You can use it easily even you are not sure what the item is called in Chinese. Read them with me. 这个多少钱？这个16块5毛5分。这个多少钱 means how much is this? 这means this. 个 is the major word for thing or item. 多少 means how many or how much. 钱 means money. So literally meaning is this item, how much money? Which means how much is this? Now let's break down the response. 这个16块5毛5分。这个 means this as mentioned just now. 块 is the informal way to say yuan in renminbi. The use of 块 is like we use quid in the UK. 毛 is a colloquial term used in Chinese, which is also a unit of currency equal to 1/10 of a 块. 分 equals to 1/10 of a mao. 1块 equals to 100 分. So 这个16块5毛5分 means this is 16 块 55. Once you know the price, you may want to bargain for a better deal. However, remember one thing. In China, you can bargain at street markets, souvenir shops, and small clothing stores. But in malls, supermarkets, and restaurants, the price is fixed. Next, what can you say to start your bargaining? You can say, 太贵了. It's too expensive. 便宜一点可以吗? Can you make it cheaper? Or you offer your ideal price. 10块怎么样? In 太贵了, 贵 means expensive. We put an adjective like 贵 in between 太 and 了 to form a phrase. If you want to say too good, do you know how to say it? You can say 太好了. Now let's look at the sentence. 便宜一点可以吗? 便宜 means cheap. 一点 means a little or a bit. 可以 means can. 吗, as we mentioned in the previous lessons, it's a particle that transforms a statement into a yes-no question. So the whole sentence meaning is make it cheaper, can you? You can also say 可以便宜一点吗? Remember, never accept the first price, especially in tourist spots. Sellers often raise their prices much higher than the normal price elsewhere. Okay, if you don't want to accept the first price, how are you going to make an offer? You can say 10块怎么样? 怎么样 means how about it? Here's another tip. Start with about 30% of the asking price. Let's listen to the following conversation and you'll know how. 请问这支笔多少钱？
这支笔10块。
10块太贵了，5块怎么样
？5块不可以，9块可以。
7块怎么样？
好吧。
In China, bargaining is a friendly game. Be polite and smile. If you can't agree on a price, just walk away. Many times, the seller will call you back with a better offer. Now let's watch the example.
这把扇子多少钱？
这把扇子25块。
便宜一点，3把50块怎么样？
不可以，3把扇子60块。
太贵了，我不要，再见。
好吧，好吧，你那么帅，3把50块。
So let's how you bargain like a pro in China. Which phrase will you use first? Comment below. If you find the lesson useful, don't forget to like the video so more people can see it. See you next time. 再见。